what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Techwood Solutions, and welcome to our Paradise Valley house flip.
You guys enjoyed that multi-million-dollar video walkthrough. Let us know in the comment section down below how we did.
All right, team, if you guys have any questions about the process on flipping this property, we'd love to help you or assist you in any way. So comment down below. Don't forget to stay connected. We have a little bit over 311,000 members within our free Facebook group, and you guys can refresh this video, and it's the first link in the description. Don't forget that Nick is a licensed real estate agent in Arizona, and if you have ever wanted to get started investing in real estate, I'm going to put his Instagram and email down below so you can get in contact with him. Wish you guys nothing but the best. Hope we earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.